Step 1. Disconnecting the battery. Disconnecting the battery will help avoid the possibility of short circuits while working with electrical components. Refer to the owner's manual for proper procedure. Step 2. Disconnect the fuse. Disconnect the air compressor fuse found in the fuse box under the hood. Refer to your owner's manual for proper removal. Step 3. Raise the vehicle. When raising a vehicle, ensure that the vehicle is properly supported at the correct points. Refer to the owner's manual for proper instructions to raise the vehicle. Note: you may need to loosen the lug nuts before jacking the vehicle. Step 4. Tire removal. Remove any covers or caps protecting the lug nuts. Remove the lug nuts and take off the wheel. Step 5. Disconnect the airline and sensor. Disconnect the airline clip and remove the airline from the assembly. Next, disconnect the sensor that is plugged in. Set both of these aside so they do not get damaged during installation. Step 6. Remove the shocks assembly. Remove the bolts holding the shock assembly in place. Then slide out the shock. Step 7. Install the new shock assembly. Install the new shock assembly the same way the original was installed. Tighten both bolts holding the shock in place. Step 8. Reconnect sensor and airline. After shock has been installed, plug in the sensor and reattach it to the frame of the vehicle. Connect the airline and install the clip to hold the airline in place. Step 9. Installing the wheel. Reinstall the wheel. Tighten all lug nuts in a star pattern as shown. Put on any covers or caps protecting the lug nuts. Step 10. Install the fuse and battery. Reinstall the air compressor fuse removed in the beginning. Reinstall the battery. Refer to your owner's manual for proper procedure on removing fuses and the battery. Step 11. Installation complete. Start the vehicle. The compressor will kick and fill the shock with air. After waiting a couple of minutes, test drive the vehicle to ensure proper installation.